What are BCAAs and how do they work? Well, that's today's quick and dirty FAQ. We're going to get to the bottom list. Let's jump right in. I'm David Barr. If you're looking to get bigger, faster, stronger, get leaner, go longer, hit that subscribe and then the little bell so you don't miss anything. So firstly, what are BCAAs? Well, it stands for branched chain amino acids. Be careful of people who call it branch chain, not branched chain. Kind of says something about their level of information, I think. Now, this refers to their molecular structure. It's not a big deal. It just means that our body loves to break them down a little more. That's really the practical takeaway, and they might actually be helpful for stimulating muscle protein synthesis. That's the growth, adaptation, recovery response that we're all after. And the key to using BCAAs, because right now they're not really effective for most people, so there is a fix, there is a trick to using them, and I cover that in detail in a more thorough BCAA video. So I'll link to that up here. Give it a click after this and we'll give you all the details for how to use them. So as far as BCAAs and how they work, well, they actually work through something called the nutraceutical effect. And this is a specific physiological or biochemical specific effect caused by a nutrient or a source of nutrients, because we often think a calorie is a calorie, so the source doesn't matter. Well, no, we know it does. We just haven't identified it as the nutraceutical effect. So this is one of those things we can actually use to our advantage, but we have to use it properly. And the keys are using the nutraceutical effect of the BCAAs, in particular leucine seems to be the most anabolic of the BCAAs. And it's one of those things we use pre-workout, post-workout, first thing in the morning. It doesn't matter, but the trick is we have to be fasted for it, okay? Being fasted will allow that quick spike in blood amino acid levels that's going to cause that nutraceutical effect. Go into detail in the other video that I mentioned. Check that one out if you want more info, but right now BCAAs are broken. So how do they work for most people? Well, they don't. That's the problem. That's why they need to be fixed. That's why we need to take advantage of that nutraceutical effect. Hope you found this video helpful. You probably know someone else who could use it. Share it with them. They just might owe you a protein shake. That's your quick and dirty FAQ. Until next time, raise the bar.